Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Here I have a Dell SRS Premium Sound. I booted it up. BIOS didn't detect the hard drive, so let's install a hard drive on this Dell. So basically, how you install a hard drive on this one is the Inspiron 1564. These usually carry Windows 7, but it can also have the newest version of Windows 11. But anyways, this is how you basically install a hard drive on the 1564. Turn it around, you got 3 screws in the back on this one panel cover. What you want to do is just remove all 3. You don't gotta pull out the whole screw. It's just a bit so that the cover can pick up. Okay. Now, carefully, what you want to do is lift up a little bit and try to pull back, because there's clips all around this here, and the main clips are here. So carefully just pull back and up and remove the panel. Okay, so it looks like it has 2 RAM sticks inside of 2 gigabytes. That's the wireless card there. Okay, it has a CMOS battery. And here is where you install the hard drive. And it's a SATA, which is this one here. So basically, you look at the connectors and make sure you put it in right. Excuse me, I'm a little sick today. If you see here, there's 2 screws. What you want to do is unscrew these, because that's going to be what's going to hold this hard drive in place. I got these sensor lights in my room. I gotta figure out how to keep them on. Well, the back one could actually stay on, but the front one, for some reason, the sensor is a little too high up. So I gotta adjust it, I guess, to point on my direction. It's annoying that it keeps turning off. Alrighty. Now, carefully you wanna install the hard drive. Alrighty, so this cover is too big for this. What you want to do is remove the cover now. There's 4 screws usually on these covers. Let's unscrew them. Some of them are a little tight. There we go, lights off. And yes, I'm doing this video very early and it's very dark outside up in Florida around this time of morning, 6 o'clock. It's still pitch black out here. Okay, so I took off the cover, which was preventing it from going in this bay here. Now, let's try to install it. And it goes in perfectly. Make sure it connects completely. Sometimes if your finger doesn't fit, you can even use a pry tool and put a little bit of pressure in. Make sure that it's fully connected to the connection here. You don't want to have to reopen this up again. Alrighty. Okay, so hard drive is installed. Nicely fleshed in. Doesn't even need a cover. And let's close it back up. That's how you install a hard drive on a 1564 Inspiron Dell. It's very simple. Now, these are the clips I was talking about here. When you close it up, what you want to do is connect the clips first. Make sure it's nicely clipped in there. Close it up, and it starts clamping in together. You grab your tool. There goes my light turning off again. And you put pressure on it a little, and then just screw it back in. It'll go into place. And that's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Okay, hard drive is installed. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Like, subscribe, comment. I will be posting more computer tips, computer repairs, and all types of technology devices. Keep in touch. Goodbye.